Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming Color OS and backing up keyboard data so changes are reversible. Open Settings now, then tap Additional Settings and Languages and Input. You're doing this because emojis can depend on system or keyboard rendering. Knowing where they come from saves time. Once in Languages and Input, select the keyboard app you use, for example, Oppo keyboard or Gboard, and make sure permissions are granted. This prepares the phone to accept a new emoji style or an updated keyboard. You'll now change the emoji source by switching keyboards or updating the system font. If you prefer Gboard or SwiftKey, install or update it from Play Store. These apps include their own emoji renderers. Once installed, enable the keyboard in Languages and Input and set it as default. Make sure to grant full keyboard permissions so emoji display correctly. This works because keyboards control emoji glyph rendering. Changing the keyboard replaces the visuals without modifying system firmware. You're almost done. Verify by opening a messaging app and picking an emoji. If the new style doesn't show, reboot the phone to refresh rendering. This often resolves lingering cache conflicts. Make sure to clear the keyboard app cache or reinstall the keyboard if problems persist. If system emojis still override third-party options, you may need a firmware update from Oppo. Check Settings System Updates. Keep a backup and avoid flashing packages that aren't official to prevent bricking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.